Hello everyone. Draego here. And you are watching.
Do you feel the vibes?
Hello, what's up? And welcome to a new video. So today's video is on multimedia speakers. Let me tell you that this video is not sponsored by anyone. The product that I use in this video is purchased by me. So these speakers are called F&D A140X 2.1 channel multimedia Bluetooth speakers. I bought these speakers for my new desktop. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, then give a like and join Team Draego by subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button for quick notifications. Now then, let's unbox the product. I bought these speakers for 2,200 rupees from a retail store, but you guys can buy this product from Amazon for 2,800 rupees. I will give link to its page in description, so you can check that out for more information on the product. Kingy, tell us the features of these speakers. Okay boss. These speakers are mainly made for computers, but you can use it with other things also, like TV, and it is Bluetooth, so you can connect it with any Bluetooth devices. The sound quality of these speakers are top class. Yep, that's true. I have used these speakers for 1 month now, and sound quality is great. You can feel the bass inside your body. Here is a little sound clip of the speakers so you can listen and know how they sound. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you want to see my gaming videos, then check out my other YouTube channel, which is Draego. Right now, 2 series are going on this channel. First is the Draego's first PC, and second is videos related to Eureka plus Android phone. The Eureka series will going to have my voice in them, but for PC series I am going to use animation. Give me your feedback on this video in comments, and make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.